Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. We've been using this curriculum since our son was 4 years old, on and off, but really got into it right before our 5-year-old started kindergarten. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. So let's start with an overview of the curriculum. It's designed for young learners, typically ages 4 to 6, who are just beginning to read. It focuses on one subject, reading instruction, and includes phonemic awareness, phonics, early decoding skills, and fluency development. It is very affordable, usually around $15 to $25, and can be purchased online through retailers or bookstores. One of the strengths of this curriculum is its step-by-step scripted lessons. I love that I don't have to plan ahead. It tells me exactly what to say and do in each lesson. Another strength is the way it gradually builds reading fluency and confidence. This has been really helpful for my little one who didn't start talking until 3, almost 4 years old. I also appreciate that the lessons are short and consistent, about 15 to 20 minutes a day. This has made homeschooling much more manageable, especially with my little one's attention span. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of the weaknesses is that the layout and appearance of the book is very plain. I found that it's not visually engaging, and my little one sometimes loses interest without colorful pictures or games. Another weakness is the use of special pronunciation marks and symbols in the beginning. This was a little challenging because it took some extra time for me to understand and then explain those symbols, which can be a little confusing at first. Lastly, there's not much built-in review or flexibility for slower paced learners. This was a problem because on days when my little one wasn't focused, I had to go back and repeat lessons or break them into smaller chunks myself. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a simple, budget-friendly, and effective way to introduce reading at an early age. I think it's a great choice for parents of young learners who want a structured, no-prep program and are okay with a more traditional approach. However, if your child needs a lot of visuals, movements, or a playful learning style, then this might not be the best choice. Thank you for watching my review of Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.